Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce and how to say the letter Y in Spanish. How do you pronounce it when you say it in different words? We're going to be looking at different examples as well, so you understand everything that this is all about. How to pronounce Y in different positions in different words. Now you have to know that the letter itself is called la I, because yes, it's an I, la I griega, meaning the Greek I, because it is a Greek letter. The letter is pronounced by itself, I, as in a double E in English. I is essentially the sound of this letter. In front of an O, it's going to make a yo. This is actually a word meaning I or myself as a subject in Spanish. Yo soy Julien. Yo. In front of an A, ya. This is also a word meaning already. Ya basta. For example, if the Y is in the middle of a word, as in this one, coyote, co-i-o-te, you can hear the I in the middle, coyote being Spanish for coyote, of course. Ayer, so a ye sound in front of an e, ayer, meaning yesterday in Spanish. If the Y is at the end of a word, you also pronounce it like an I, as in this word meaning king in Spanish, rey. So you would note as well that the Y is always pronounced separately when it's before or after a vowel. It doesn't become a different sound. It always stays the same, as in this word rey, meaning the king, el rey de España. And finally, a last example, in front of a U, adjuvante, U in front of a U, of a U letter, adjuvante. And here you got it. Now I think you know essentially pretty much everything on how to pronounce Y in Spanish. I hope it was useful. Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting Spanish vocabulary. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.